Welcome. Today, I will show you how to access your Edgerouter through WAN connection. I am using AnyDesk Remote to access my router through the internet to configure. Currently, I have no access to my Edgerouter through WAN connection or public IP address. To configure, log into your Edgerouter. Go to Firewall NAT tab. Go to Firewall Policies. Select WAN Local and click Actions. Edit Rule Set. Select Configuration and hit Accept, then save rule set. Done. You can now open a web browser from your local PC to check if you can access your router through its public IP address. Successful. You can now log into your Edgerouter through the public IP address. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider like and subscribe.